This is a little blue lovebird. Now here's Echo. When he came here, he was almost 3 years old. Before coming to us, he was already someone else's most loved little bird. For me, Echo's story began on February 26, 2026. Echo adapted to this place quickly, and he quickly adapted to us. He loved following people and being part of everything we do. It feels like he never wants to be alone. But strangely, whenever another parrot came close, he would always keep a little distance. So I kept wondering, would Echo need a friend? 2 months later, Hedgie arrived. A blue Quaker parrot, only 22 days old, and we soon realized they were almost completely different. One was almost 3 years old, the other was only 22 days old. One was playful but cautious. The other was curious about everything. If there was one thing they had in common, maybe it was that they were both blue, but looking alike doesn't mean they will become friends. So the question was, would Echo accept him? I thought they would need a long time to get to know each other, but the next day, Echo did something I never expected.